guys, another unboxing. So I just received this package today, so I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. So if you watch my previous video, I said that I was expecting this box, but I couldn't wait. I was so excited to unbox the other one. So this one is the cream color of the fitted blazer. So because the black, I picked it in large, then I picked the cream color in extra large, but to be honest, the black, which is large, was too tight on me. Thank God I have this cream color, because when I went back to repurchase the black one, it was out of stock. Like extra large is out of stock, so this blazer comes in a small fitting. So if you want to buy this blazer, make sure you size up, otherwise it will not fit you or it will be so tight on you. So we're gonna unbox it now, guys. Here. So guys, this is the cream color. We're gonna open it here. My bad. Guys, look at these details on this blazer. So look at the front and the back. Oh my gosh, yeah. You know, I love blazer. Blazer always elevates your style. Blazer always make you stand out. Let's try it on, guys. Quick try on haul, okay? So guys, before we do the try on haul, I'm going to share with you guys another t-shirt that I picked from Zara as well. So this is a white t-shirt, yeah, and it has this design here. Yeah, very beautiful t-shirt, and it's a fitted t-shirt. So let's do the try on haul, okay? So guys, look at how beautiful the blazer is. So this is extra large, okay? Yeah, and this is how the back is. So to be honest, guys, I got it in large and extra large. So but the large, I have the cream color in large as well, but the cream color in large is so tight. So this is the extra large, which I love. So loose, yeah. So I love these details on it, and the same details at the back of it. So we're gonna do a proper review on this blazer, so make sure you come back to watch the video, watch it, then you come back and comment. So comment on the info section which of them do you like, the black or the cream, and like, share, and follow me on all social media, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because there is where I post more of long videos, give you guys the whole outfit in details, okay? So guys, see you on my next video. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys, love you.